Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We're in Loughborough at Loughborough Fair, which is an annual fair every year in Loughborough, Leicestershire. There won't be much talking in this one because it's going to be loud and busy and stuff like that, but we'll get some, and it's cold, yeah. We'll get a good, I've even got my pom-pom out on, so never wear hats. But yeah, we'll just show you the video and the sights and sounds. Then we'll have a hot dog or a burger, and we might catch up at the end about how it's been. But it's a great place to come if you've never been before. It's in its 700 and something year of having a fair at Loughborough. So yeah, here we go, Loughborough Fair 2019. Trying to cross the road, the yard bit. Here we go then. It's snowing there, look. There's Alex, cold. Dodgem, always good fun. This is a street fair as well, so it's through the actual town centre, on the street, on the road, as you can see. Some big rides, some little ones for the kids too. Oh, that lady just tripped over. Poor lady.
If you would like to ride the freak out.
One of the biggest street fairs in the UK. I think the only big one really. But don't quote me. There's a lot more to this, and we'll put these videos together and everything, and see what it looks like at the end. Oh no, they're good. Yeah. As you can see, it's quite busy. Pretty mental ride here. Well, for a street fair anyway.
All these new goals dedicate to the top. Look out, here we go, look out, here we go. Well, all these you want to ride by your tokens this time. Well, to this now, all these slides to this way. Everybody scream!
Let's go! Fire quickens from the
No, I think I'd be sick. It's the most random ride ever. It just throws you around. No seatbelt. Nothing. Relies on gravity or something. That's still going, by the way. So me and Alex have just got on the big wheel. We're on our way up now to the top, which will look over Loughborough. Can't really see very well through the lights and everything, but yeah. Going up now. Wow. You get a really good view up here. The fair below and everything. Yeah, it's really good. What if you don't like heights then? All over. But at Loughborough Fair it's really good. You just have to experience it, because as I say, it's a street fair, so it's on a road and in a town, a market square and everything, but it's really good. You have to visit. It's every November, every year, but yeah. Catch you later. Look at this ride next to us. Watch. Over there. It's done a full rotation on it. Yeah.
Well, I hope you're with him. You're not with him, are you?
Odd number.
No.
Odd number. All right.
Right, count Freddy out. No, right. I don't know. You don't know what goes on, do you? Even with you four, we don't know what goes on, do we? I'm just picturing you in this.
You'll have to tell me if it's a one.
It's not a pretty sight, I can tell you. Yeah, sometimes I make myself laugh. Come on, pick a minute. Oh dear. Oh.
8 9 10 and that is the end of Loughborough Fair. It's all packed away tonight, ready for normal business tomorrow. So it all gets put on the back of lorries and wheeled out and packed up. So we're going to eat these now because we're hungry, and catch you later. Bye.